Hi there, Janet Fritz here for Galaxy Girl Creations. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another day of scrapping on a ship. I'm scrapbooking cruise photos all month long for May, and I'm also playing along with May I Scraplift You and taking inspiration from other scrapbookers. Today's inspiration came from Jessie B Scrapbooking, and I know it's not going to look like it, but it really did. That whole section that she has on the right hand side with several different decorative icons going down made me feel like I wanted to use some of the photos that we took on the island of CocoCay that were not necessarily people related. So I had signage photos, I had some decoration photos. There's a plate with a funnel cake on it. And a few things like that. So that's what I wanted to do. And then as I was kind of sorting through the photos, I thought I'd keep the photos on the opposite side of the layout like she has, but she has a single page and I had way too many photos for a single page. So I'm going to do a double. And so I just started playing around with moving the photos around. I decided I wanted to break up the photos that have us in them because there's so much going on in those photos. It was very confusing to the eye. So I decided to bring one over to the right hand page, put it in that stack of decorative items, and then break up the other ones with these photos of the boats and a photo taken as you walk back to the boat. You could look up and see the two boats side by side. That is not my photo. That is a photo from Kathy Carr that I borrowed from her. So thank you for taking that, Kathy. I love that photo. It's stunning. Also love the one of the boats side by side. Ours is the larger of the two ships. I don't even know what the other ship was that was in port. Maybe one of the other ladies knows, but I didn't even think to look at that. So then I wasn't really sure what I was going to put in the middle, but I pulled out the CocoCay map, and I actually have two of these. One of them's going in the back pocket that we created in our albums for things such as this memorabilia that you collect along the way. And so I thought, well, I already have one in the back pocket. What am I going to do with this other one? And it just seemed to fit perfect between my two stacks of photos. And so it's going to really do a lot of the decoration for me. I don't know. I have a hard time remembering to actually utilize my memorabilia inside my albums, other than just putting it in a pocket. So I've done this before, but it's been a very long time. And so I thought, you know what, I'm going to do it and see how it looks. Worst case, I have the other one, and this can go in the trash if I don't end up using it. But I really liked it. I especially liked that curvy line along the bottom of the map. It kind of softens up all of these harsh lines of the photos that are all rectangles and such. I don't end up using the funnel cake photo, which was I had cut into a circle, and I don't normally cut photos into a circle, but there was nothing else in the photo. And overall, it looked kind of funky because it's all kind of monotone in color. So I just decided to leave it off. I'm going to leave this bottom area for journaling. And I am not going to do it on camera, but you'll see it in the close-ups. So a lot of journaling is going down at the bottom, and I'm keeping my embellishments really, really simple, just using a little bit of acrylic from Bramble Fox. And while I put that together, I just want to remind you guys to check out the other people playing along with May I Scraplift You. The link to the playlist is down below. There's also a link to MK's channel. I'm not sure if she's got a video for you today or not. I know she's been running sales every weekend for National Scrapbook Month. It's National Scrapbook Day was in the first weekend of May. So each weekend in May, she's got specials going on in her shop, some assemblage required. And so she's kind of been really busy filling orders, and I don't know that she's going to have a video today or not, but her link is down below anyway. And I'll put the link to her shop, some assemblage required, down below also. So I went ahead and glued everything down, and now I just used a ceramic blade to cut my page in half because the map covered the two pages, so it needed to be cut. And I did use a self-healing cutting mat below it because you should be forewarned if you have a glass mat, a ceramic blade will actually cut your glass mat. So don't use a ceramic blade directly on it. Put something underneath your paper before you do that. At least mine did. I tested it in a little tiny corner on my glass mat because I was like, is this going to ruin my glass mat? I'm so glad I tried it because I don't want to have a big old slice down the center of my glass mat. If you're interested in the glass mat, it is from Glassboard Studio and it is magnetic. And I just love it. It's great for mixed media. Although this one seems to show every little thing because it's so dark. It picks up the glare and everything. So I really like my other one better for filming, but this one fits on this desk and the other one does. This one does not fit on my other desk. So anyway, that's the story of the glass mat. So here are the acrylic pieces that I decided to use. I don't end up using the one that says relax. We're not doing a whole lot of relaxing on this layout. I probably should have used that on the hammocks if I was going to. That piece that says CocoCay on it was a magnet that I purchased while we were there. And I just pulled the magnetic backer off of it because it's for like a refrigerator magnet and it just made it extra thick and it's already thick. So I just decided to pull that off and I'll go ahead and just use it. And the area on the map that it's covering is really just kind of like a green space, a forested area. It's not like, it doesn't really show you a whole lot of the areas that we visited. We did end up going to the area right at the top above the second, or the yellow sea. There's a little blue, or yeah, I guess it's a navy blue square there. That is South Beach. That's where we had lunch. Our snorkel excursion would have been the little square or rectangle that is furthest left and up. That would have been where we would have done our kayaking and our snorkeling in that area. So we walked basically from the bottom of the map all the way to that area in the left-hand corner and all the way around to South Beach. And then we walked around a little bit more as well. Just at the top of the photo of the center of the two ships, there's a marketplace. We did some shopping. That's where I purchased the piece for my title. And then we ended up taking the tram back to the boat when we were done. The bottom right-hand area is a paid area to use that hideaway beach, so we didn't go in that area. But that is it, you guys. Super simple, and got a lot of photos on it. I'm really happy with that. Thank you so much for watching. If you have questions or comments, you can leave them down below. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video, and if you're not subscribed, I'd love for you to subscribe if that is something that you're interested in. Don't forget to go and check out, again, everyone playing along with me, I Scraplift You, and go give Jessie a little bit of love over at her Instagram. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys again soon. Bye-bye.